everybody, welcome to Life at Sunnylee with Kathy Jarvis. And we've been busy with the outside, rearranging some of the things and getting some things repainted. Now on Saturday morning I decided to uncover the old picnic table. Now if you remember, we had that covered with a tarp. It was supposed to be waterproof, and so we left it out on the patio all winter. And when I undid it, I was very disappointed. I had just painted it before we put it away for winter, put the tarp over it, and the tarp was supposed to be waterproof, and it wasn't. The whole top of the table was soaking wet. It had mold starting to form on it, so I had to scrub all that down, and then I let it sit out in the sun while we went to see Bad Boys, which is a good movie. Not the best movie in the world, but it is good. It's full of action, and we did enjoy it. So when I came back home, I looked at the table, thought I would repaint the top, and of course I was out of the glazed ginger color, so I didn't have any paint to paint it. So instead it just was a small spot about the size of a nickel, not a big spot. The paint had come off. Decided just to cover it with a tablecloth for right now, and we'll get the ginger later on before winter and touch up that spot. But it looks nice. I also cleaned the rest of the porch off, and so the porch is completely clean, looking nice. I even went and repainted the white parts on the cans. I still need to do the blue, and I repainted this little table, and everything else just needed a good cleaning. So it's all ready for enjoying it this summer. And then if you notice, I took the swing down. It was hanging in this area, and we couldn't get the swing and the table both onto this area and still leave an area for us to get in and out of the door. So we took the swing down, and it is over here right now. I repainted it after he fixed it. One of the slats had broken, so he fixed the slat, and then I repainted it, and we're going to put it up on the balcony. I was thinking about putting new furniture up there anyway, and this will solve that problem. Put this up here and I won't have to get any new furniture. Now the furniture was on the side porch. We put it out here on the patio, and I took the chest that was out front and brought it back here. So now I have a little spot here in the sun to set if we want to sit. And I had my son order a storage box that he found that was cheaper than what I could find. So he's ordered that, and it's supposed to be here so I can put the cushions, which I got a new cushion for this chest, and I'll wash these cushions, and then we'll put the cushions in that storage chest to keep them from being the cats laying on them all the time. So we got that done, and then I went to the green. We had to water the greenhouse almost every day, even with the irrigation system. It's been a heat wave coming, 90 degrees. I wanted the greenhouses to have plenty of moisture before this heat wave hits. So I've got the ground the bed's pretty much saturated, deep watered, so they should be okay over the weekend, or for a couple days. I usually water on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, but I did water, like I said, a little bit today. Also, I planted some more bush beans among the sweet corn, so I wanted those to have a good start. So I watered just for a little bit, for about maybe an hour and a half at the most, and we did that. I have not got around to doing yet. Everything's still sitting on the kitchen table, but I have I did work on this porch a little bit. I still need to mop the floor, but I painted the table. I painted it black. It was a blue and it was chipping off, so I painted it black. And The other thing I did this week was I worked on the fire pit cover. Now I originally had this white, and then last year I changed, or the year before I changed it to brown. I realized I really didn't like the brown, so I'm changing it back to white. I still have the red and the black to finish painting, but I worked on it. On Sunday we had our family reunion, and went to church, and then we went to the reunion afterwards and had a blast. Really enjoyed myself. Unfortunately, I did not take any pictures because I was so busy. I was helping with the auction, and I was helping with the mints, and just taking pictures was the last thing that I even thought about. So no pictures from the reunion this year. So that has been our week. On Thursday, they came and started working on a geothermal unit. They came at 10 o'clock that morning, and it was after 5 o'clock before they finally got finished. So it was a long day of them working downstairs. So hopefully it will be fixed for this hot spell that's coming, so we can get some air conditioning up there. Although I do enjoy having the windows open at night. Anyway, it is what it is. Like, share, subscribe, dream big, follow that dream, and God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.